Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to use commas to separate the date from the year and where to place commas in a letter. Commas are used to separate the date from the year. Let's look at this example. April 15th, 2020. April is the month, 15th is the date, 2020 is the year. In order to write this correctly, we need to add a comma between the date and the year. We're doing this to separate the date and the year. Here is another example. March 27, 2018. March is the month, 27 is the date, and 2018 is the year. In order to write this correctly, I need to place a comma between the date and the year to separate them. Commas also need to be placed in certain parts of a letter. Let's look at this example. Dear Mom and Dad. Today was my first day of summer camp. At first I was scared, but then I made new friends. We set up our cabin by decorating it with anything we could find. It turned out pretty awesome. Thanks for signing me up. Love, Katie. Now we're going to look at the different parts of this letter. Dear Mom and Dad is called the salutation. This is called the body. Love is the closing, and Katie is called the signature. In order for this letter to be correct, I need to add commas after the salutation and after the closing. We are going to look at another example. Dear Jose. My family and I finally settled down in our new home. I made a new friend yesterday. He is a neighbor and he is in the same grade as me. Hopefully, we will have the same teacher when school starts. I really miss playing basketball with you. But Mom said that we could visit in a few months. Hope to hear from you soon. Your friend, Jose. This letter is missing commas. We need to put a comma after the salutation of the letter and after the closing of the letter. Now that I placed the commas after the salutation and closing of the letter, this letter is written correctly. We learned two ways to use commas. We learned that commas are used to separate the date from the year and are placed after the salutation and the closing of a letter. Thanks everyone for listening. Have a wonderful day.